it's Monique with TexasGalStudio coming to you with a little share of how I create our charcuterie board for our evenings, usually Friday evenings when we're going to do movie night and we're unsure what to eat. I know exactly what the kids love as far as the deli goes, what we like. I usually keep it as simple as I can. I do love buying the small little pickles because the kids love that. Cheese, I know what the kids like as well, so I kind of stick to what the kiddos like and what we like, and then I'll throw in something new so they can try. Like, I think we tried a cured salmon and they really enjoyed that, but not for the one that I'm sharing right now. The one I'm sharing has fruit, simple deli. I think I stick to the brand Boars Head, and I've had some HEB brand because that's where we shop at HEB for our groceries, and crackers. I keep it simple for the kids, and I do buy something for us a little bit different that has like some pepper, crushed pepper, and different flavored crackers. But for them, it's like Ritz, saltines. But I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll be back with more videos. Y'all be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything.
Oh.
Bye.